So we're out in the field today cleaning a drain, and a lot of times what clogs sewer lines up is grease. And when we tell our customers, hey, there's probably grease in the line, most of them say, well, we don't put anything down in the, we don't put any grease in the sewer system. So, but what you need to know is grease comes from a lot of things, not only the grease from fried food, but soap, just your body, and shampoo, all that. It creates this sludge, and we call it grease. I mean, it's grease mixed in with other things. But what I want you to picture is this is what it looks like when it dries up and when it hardens. That's grease. So it's not the liquid that you may be thinking of. It turns into that, and it's almost like concrete. I mean, it's like rocks. But when we send the drain cable down there and it busts all that stuff up, that's what we're talking about. So just so you have a clear picture of what grease is, you'll know that it is a big problem, and it does require a drain machine to get it out. Those liquid drain cleaners, man, they'll just cut a hole through it where the water will go through, but you really need a drain cable like this to break that stuff up and to get it sent on down the line. Those liquid drain cleaners, they're just a temporary fix, and some of them can do a lot of damage to your plumbing pipes. So there you go. I hope that helps you understand what grease looks like in a sewer line. Have a good one. We'll see you on the next one.